My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called Servidoracessobanco. Servidoracessobanco is a new ransomware which now affects many Windows computers all over the world. This ransomware is capable of damaging the files that customers store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, they can open any files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data can be opened easily without complications. But regretfully, because of some existing leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Servidoracessobanco ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Pretty soon people would realize that they cannot use their data anymore because this ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. So it adds this special Servidoracessobanco extension to the files. When you try to open this specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with such an extension. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay some ransom for file recovery and to contact the developers using these two email addresses. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing, so don't pay it. What we recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program, and our recommendation is that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So after you download Combo Cleaner through this official website combocleaner.com, install the software. This is the way it looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is obviously crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. So the update of the antivirus database may take some time. So while the updating of the antivirus database is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature is a part of the premium license though, but you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate these features of Combo Cleaner antivirus for Windows computers. So Combo Cleaner will not decrypt the files, however it will protect your data from any other possible ransomware attacks in the future.